Sunil Thakkar. And my name is Dirk Kenya. Today we will learn about this parallel connection. When we on the switch, the connection goes from here, and when this LED light will fuse or disconnect, this LED will working continuously. And when we start on the battery, the current has two paths to flow. So if this LED will disconnect or fuse, so this will be working, and if this LED light broken or fused, so this will be working, and this is called our parallel connection. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anita from 4th B. This is our series connection. The current flow from here to here. I on the switch, the current flow here and the light will on. If I remove this resistor, so I on the switch, the current not flow here to here. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aneshwari from grade 4B. I am learning about series connection. First, I am on this button, so current flow here to here and stop here, and he is blowing, and I am switch off and switch the off and take out this, and I am on the button, the current only stop here. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nisha Patel from 4th B.
And my name is Anil Desai from 4B.
When I switch this switch, I on, the current will flow from here to this light.
When I take out this resistor and I on this light, it not correct flow. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Kati Singhal from grade 4B.
And my name is Rohishan from grade 4B. Today we are learning about series connection.
This is series. Then I will on this switch, the current flow from here to here. Then I will this take out that current is not flowing. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Zainab.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nandini.
We are from grade 4th A. Today we are going to present a parallel series. Here you can see there are two paths. If one path is broken, the current will flow from this path. If this path is broken, the current will flow from this path. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kavish Bharatwaj.
Good morning everyone, my name is Rudra Raj from 4th A.
Now we are representing us a parallel connection in which if I disconnect it, the current will flow from here to there. If this is disconnected, the current will flow from here. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Mukti Desai from grade 4th A. Good morning. My name is Tisha Banana. Today we are presenting a series connection. In a series connection, all equipments are
in a series path. For example, if I broke down or disconnect one part, the light will be off. If I disconnect another part, the light will be stop glowing. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Naira Bansal and my name is Panika Thakur. We are from grade 4A and we will be presenting a series connection. As you see here, this is a series connection and it is a series. If we broke one resistance, the whole connection will stop like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shriyasin Pati.
And my name is Mishka. We both study in class 4th A. Today we are going to talk about the series connection.
If we disconnect, if this part or this part disconnect or broken, the current will not flow from here to here. If this part is broke or disconnect, the current will not flow from here to here. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Rashmita from class 4th.
Good morning everyone. My name is Partha Trivedi from grade 4th A.
Today we will explain the series connection. If the one resistor will broken or disconnected, the current will cannot flow. If this resistor is disconnected or broken, so the current will cannot flow from here to here like this. Thank you. My name is Prathama.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nakshatra of 4th A. We are doing a series connection. Then we open, the light is on. Then we disconnected, light is not on. The power flow is not coming to series. Flow here to here. And we also disconnect this, and power is also no, because there is no flow in. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nandan Valdania from grade 4th A
And my name is Shani from 4th A.
We both are representing this series connection. This is series connection. When we on this, the light will blow. The light will blow, and we disconnect this, so light will not glow. That we seen in a parallel connection, and we disconnect one resistor, so the light blows dim. But in this, we disconnect, so light do not blow. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Rudra Singh from grade 4th A in South. Today we make series connection. In series connection, when we on the series connection, current was flowing to here. In series connection, we disconnect and stop the. We disconnect this. We disconnect this and the current will be stopped here. When we disconnect this, and like second example, when we disconnect this part, the current will be stopped here. We see that in parallel parallel
connection.
connection. In that was one connection was broken and second connection was deep and glowing this light. In series connection, the anything was broken and the all system was
Shut down.
shut down. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shilaka from grade 4J and my name is Nidhi Karina from grade 4J. Today we are going to tell about series. When we on, it's broken. When the light went off. When we broken this, the light will off. But when we do up on parallel, and when we take out this, also we can broke this or this. Also, the light is blinking. Thank you.